Our vacay days always start with
breakfast. We are having our breakfast. This is omelette with ketchup,
कड़क होनी चाहिए यार, जबरदस्त। 8 चाय, एक फीकी है इसमें, 7 मीठी है, एक फीकी और 2 कॉफी।
Where's my coffee?
the location, our view. Buying some fruits for snacks. Corn, mango, custard apples. Then straight to Saif Ul National Park. Wow. Woo! Lunchtime. We ordered chicken barbecue, nihari, and of course, rice and kebab. Murree is the most beautiful and popular hill in Pakistan. We went to so many places in Murree, but this was the highlight for the family.
Oh, they're so hungry. Look at that. Hello. Oh my God, there's so many.
Okay, enough of that. Let's go shopping. Look at these. So cute, right? I love this ring.
This is our dinner for tonight. We have chicken curry and potatoes, rice. Cooks everything, mashallah. She's our cook, our chef. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Dessert. I forgot the name, sorry. These are different kinds of halva. The next day, we visited the second largest mosque in the world, the Faisal Mosque.